Nice. Let's go deeper. Come on, Matt. All right. Let's go, Tom. Oh my God! Ah! It's a school. No, I found a school though. I found a school. You want to go to the school? Ow. Oh my God! It's a rock. Come on, Matt or Tom. Go and venture. I don't know, we've been walking for a few miles, not really, it's been like 2 minutes, but watch out for these spouters. What if you see some like homeless man fucking jerking off? That'd be hot. Nothing. Oh my God, is that you? Is that you?
What?
A fucking branch like fell like from the
Where?
From the tree. Oh my God. What the fuck was that? What that? Someone like jumped off the tree or that little branch.
Jumped off the tree?
I'm going.
Cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if you see like some fucking dead cat? Oh shit, you scared me. What if we wake up some? What if we wake up like a homeless person?
Hey, bitch, the fuck out.
I'm trying to fucking sleep with a pillow. What? You can't say that.
I can say that. I bought you.
It's kind of racist, isn't it?
I have the black code.
The black code?
Yeah. They give you something to say if anybody says, why the fuck you say that? They give you a little,
That's all nonsense to me.
you really could have just took that sidewalk up here.
Oh my! You broke my ankle. Oh, fucking trap.
Oh shit. It's going good.
Whoa! Ow! It's stuck in my pants. Fucking twats.
Isn't that your wiener?
Jesus, dude. What are we in, like Bear Grylls? Like, fuck! It's in my hand.
Your turn.
No, it's not. Oh, that's a fucking piece of mud. You almost hit me. I know. Ow. My hand got cut. Ow.
All aboard! Oh shit.
Fuck. Oh my God. Dude. Looks shady as shit.
This looks like a horror movie.
Let's go. Dude, there's like fucking house over there. Dude, he almost hit me.
I can't spit.
Let's go over here.
Oh shit.
Oh, I was tripped. Let's go by the school. Let's go by the school. Let's go. Oh my God, was that you? Tommy. Let's go. Come on. Jeremy? Dare me? You have to come. You have to come with me though. I didn't think the school had. Yeah. Schools have doorbells, right?
What?
Schools have doorbells, right?
The buzz in, yeah. Ours doesn't. Just walk in.
Ours has a buzzer like at the entry, like not when you walk in, but.
Probably does because it's not in a bad city, and this is usually if you have doorbells or whatever in the thing, usually have heated windows.
All right, want to go knock or ring it?
Okay, right here, right?
I don't want to do it. I feel like. I don't know. You can't say that, Thomas. No, you can't. The fuck? You can't say that. You racist white boy. Oh my god! You almost hit the phone. Tom. Like all seriousness. In all seriousness, like.
Shut up. First one go.
Seriously, like what the fuck is that? Let me zoom into it. Do you see that?
Orange thing?
I can't zoom in. You fucking see it?
What is it?
I can't get the fucking camera on it. See? What is that? It just fucking moved. What is that?
Hit him.
No, you won't. You won't go ring it or knock on it, whatever you want fucking do.
Where's the thing go?
Go ring it. You won't.
Where is it?
What? Go ring it. I'll come with you if you ring it.
I'll go do it. Just hold on, dude. Why just close it? Because you'd be like, you don't get it. Dude. Yeah, man. Why is there so many holes in this shit? Okay, where's the fucking next close?
Oh, I thought you
Oh, right there.
oh my god.
You fucking.
Jesus bless you.
Snap my nose.
Do you know like what's his name?
I think it's open. Okay, so this is middle school. Why is there fucking dollhouse paintings on it?
My school has an LGBT poster in the middle of fucking.
What's a fish tank?
Who has a fish tank in the what are they fucking millionaires? Like
Yeah, down here.
white person neighborhood.
Up at my school, the high school is probably 10 times better than this. This is probably the office part. I swear to God, like, it's not even funny.
This is probably like the half the school, not even like a quarter of the school. Have you seen how big the high school is?
Yeah. Mine's bigger. Mine has like 4 gyms and 8 lunchrooms and everything.
Our middle school has two
Because we
rooms.
have like 8,000 kids in our school.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, we have to pay for lunch and we get like the Subway and Cousins every day. It's fun.
Wait, yeah. You're new. You scared? I almost dropped the phone.
You're dumb.
Let's go do it.
Go ahead, I'm not ready.
Come on.
I'm not running.
Just come with me. Fine, let's ring some sort of doorbell.
If I make it in the sewer, I'm not going with you.
Huh?
If I make it in the sewer, I'm not going with you.
Alright.
Son of a bitch.
What the fuck is that?
Guess I'm not going with you.
No. Like, actually, what was that?
It was this. You hear that, right?
Yeah, it scared me. Didn't.
Yeah, that's every time I hit this. It's echo. It's just all echo.
But it was like later on. That wasn't an echo. Holy shit, what was that? What the fuck? Oh my god! What was that? What the fuck? Dude, what was that?
Oh shit.
Tic Tac. Go buzz. Let's go buzz that door right there.
That red light's not a buzzer. It's a scanner so you can open it with your ID.
Oh shit. Fuck, why is it going out like that? Oh, it's probably because of the light.
They have lockers out.
Dude, is that part of their school as well? I don't think so.
No, that's something else. That's like the city hall or something. This is like an old area.
Dude, someone came out! I saw someone in the door.
Good job. People go on door raising now. My ears are freezing like freaking cold ice.
Oh, you think you're cold?
That's no damn cold.
Look at my fucking arm. Oh, thanks for watching this video, faggot.